Hello everyone, I am Sohagi Murmu. Today, I will guide you on how to easily file GST Nil return through IndiaFilings website. Step 1. Visit IndiaFilings.com. There, click on the GST Nil return filing option. Once done, on the right hand side, enter the GST number in the box and then just check if the name is displayed correctly. Step 2. If correct, click on the Generate OTP button and verify it using the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Then put your PAN card number and click on the Initiate Nil Return Filing button and verify it using the OTP. And that's it. You have successfully filed your GST Nil return. To download your acknowledgement file, simply set up your Ledger's account or download the Ledger's mobile app. You see, filing your GST Nil return with IndiaFilings is that simple. Visit our website or call us today to get started.